So, guys, here you can see one more Academy came out the generative.ai. So, in today's generative.ai video, I am telling you about the ChatGPT 3.5. What is ChatGPT 3.5? Who built the AI chatbot? In today's video, your whole concept will be clear about it. And in the comment section below, tell me if you want a ChatGPT 3.4, 3.5 core, 3.5 update version course or ChatGPT 4.0 version course. So tell me in the comment section below if you want a ChatGPT course. So tell me in the comment section below. Then I will be uploaded for you. Okay. But yeah, anyways, in today's video, we are learning about in the generative AI about a ChatGPT 3.5. So yeah, I'm telling about it. See video start to it. And now, without taking any time, let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with loving. So guys, in today's generative.ai video, I'm telling about the ChatGPT 3.5. So yeah, I'm telling about it. So let's get started without wasting our time. And let's learn about in the generative.ai about ChatGPT 3.5. So let's learn about it. So if you don't know, ChatGPT is an AI chatbot. Okay, you must know the ChatGPT is an AI chatbot. Okay, and who developed it? You know that ChatGPT is an AI chatbot, but who developed it? ChatGPT is an AI chatbot developed by the OpenAI. Okay, OpenAI has built the ChatGPT, and ChatGPT can help boost your productivity if you use correctly. Okay, if you use correctly ChatGPT, it will boost your productivity. Knowing how to write prompts correctly is the key to helping you use ChatGPT. And if you want, I upload the ChatGPT full course. So tell me in the comment section below. I will be uploaded for you. For now, what is ChatGPT 3.5? What is that? ChatGPT 3.5 is an AI chatbot. It developed by OpenAI. I have already told you that. And when it will be launched? It launched in the November 2022. Okay, the ChatGPT 3.5 is launched in November 2022. And who designed it? It is designed to engage in conversations, answer questions, and help with various tasks. Okay, so now the ChatGPT is very helpful, and when I ask ChatGPT, please tell me 10 popular countries. So it gave me very fastly, and it not take any time, and it did give you the fastly. So that's why it is designed to engage in conversations, answer the questions, and help with various tasks. If I go on ChatGPT, and if I say, tell me what is the trend of programming language in 2024? So that will be told me like this trend, and like here you can see it. It give me like this. Like that, it give you in the very fast way. It not take any time. Here you can see it like that. Now, ChatGPT is available for anyone who makes an account with OpenAI. Okay, ChatGPT is very free available, and ChatGPT 3.5 is available for anyone who makes an account. I have make the account in my ChatGPT, so that's why I'm using the ChatGPT. If you do not have account, so you will be do not use the ChatGPT. Like here, when I open in the Microsoft Edge, when I open my ChatGPT, so it coming like that, and it is saying me login or sign up. Okay, like this. Here you can see. First you will be login and sign up, then you will be use the OpenAI very freely. Okay, I have already login. Okay, now ChatGPT 3.5 is detailed and articulate across a wide range of topics, but the 3.5 version has also been characterized for its sometimes uneven accuracy. ChatGPT 3.5 example. This one ChatGPT 3.5 example with the following prompt. If you write this type of following prompt, let me show you. When I write this type of following prompt, so then it will be told me Rubik cube, then white work, and this all thing that will be telling me. Then it told me code, and I say to the ChatGPT, create a list of 10 fun and inexpensive toy gifts to programmers based on the following criteria. First, it should be useful. Second, it should be silly. Number third, it should be spark creativity. Then in the first, give me Rubik's cube keyboard, white works. It combines a playful brain teaser with a love of keyboards. Here you can see it. Then it is telling me silly expect a keyboard layout in the Rubik cube form. Here you can see it. Then it's telling me creativity spark. It's solving the puzzle, improve the problem solving skills. Okay, like that. You can say the ChatGPT is very powerful. A response from ChatGPT 3.5 could be like this. Okay, but I'm not using the ChatGPT 3.5. I'm using the ChatGPT 3. ChatGPT 4. Okay, and if you are saying this, okay, we are using the ChatGPT 4, so that's why it give me the different answer. Okay, but if you want the but in the next video I told you about the in the generative AI what is the ChatGPT 4.0. In the next video I told you about it. Okay, so do not take a stress. I told you the old version, but now I'm not telling you the new version. No, in the next video I will be uploaded the ChatGPT 4.0, and please tell me in the comment section below if you want a ChatGPT 4.0 full course from scratch, so that I will be uploading for you. Tell me in the comment section below. I will be upload it or not. Tell me in the comment section below. But in today's video of ChatGPT, it's generative AI. I told you about the ChatGPT 3.5. And you must know that ChatGPT is an AI chatbot. If you want anything here, it will be give you. If I say, hey, ChatGPT, what is the popular language? So then it will be they give me like Python, then why it is popular and its use cases. But if in the Google you say, hey, Google, what is the popular programming language? So it give me only like this, like Python, JavaScript, and Java. But in the ChatGPT telling me why it is popular and its use cases. Then it give me the second number JavaScript, and then it telling me why it is popular. Then and use cases. Then number 10 it's telling me Java and why it is popular. But in Google you will be already provide the languages like Python, JavaScript, and Java, and not any queries. But in Java, in the ChatGPT give you the all thing with explanation why the Python is popular, like that all thing. But Google will not give you. So I prefer you to use the so if you want any questions and you are not solving it, so you go on the ChatGPT and then you will be easily solve it. Okay, so the ChatGPT is very powerful. But in today's video I told you about the in the generative AI what a ChatGPT 3.5, and I told you about the who made the ChatGPT and what is the ChatGPT. So I hope your concept will be clear about it. And so now I hope you enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to all the notification bell also. So in advance or any future latest videos about the generative AI. So now and tell me in the comment section below when our generative.ai series, when our ASP.NET, not ASP.NET, sorry. If whenever full stack web development series has going, you are also see that also. So now, but in today's video, I told you about the generative AI about a ChatGPT 3.5. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to all the notification bell also. And if you want to learn the machine learning, so I have already made the course of machine learning. The playlist is a link in the description, so go and see it. So now I'm Indian Class and I'm making like that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.